10/10/2020. What do we have? NASDAQ Composite on a daily now. And we're talking short term. And I'm giving a warning. And we're overbought. Once again, warning all of our market makers and all of our traders around the world. And we have earnings season that will be starting on Monday. And we have had a very nice rally in the daily from this low right here. And that was on 9/24. And we put what we call in a double bottom. We had the volatility, we had the fade, then we covered it, we consolidated, we gapped up, volatility gapped down, we consolidated last week, 4 days. There's the fifth day of this consolidation breakout. Therefore, I'm going into phase one warning, and I'm putting a yellow light on the NASDAQ composite in the short term, and there's going to be a pullback coming very quickly, and a lot of the risks are very high. And this is going to be the top right up here where the trend line is. That's 11,881. Now, there is this one right here, and we're sitting right there on it. And it goes back over here, and that is on 9/3, when we called the big down move, and we called it before 9/3 actually, from that August period. And now in the short term we're going to hit resistance, and we know that markets are discounting models forward looking. And what they've done is they've used an algorithmic program done by machines in the exchange model and the ECN model, electronic communication network, matches buyer and sellers up. They can buy 5 shares at a time and walk the price up. Yeah. But listen, um, there's that resistance, and we're overbought. Phase one, caution yellow, U.S. markets, daily, NASDAQ composite. And just be careful, everyone. And I'm dead serious. NASDAQ composite daily. And we do believe in breakouts from consolidations like this. But we know that we had headline events about every 15 minutes of the day about a stimulus package. And as the networks and the CNBCs of the world generate those headlines, they have algorithmic programs in the exchange model that picks up on that, and it's a machine that does a rapid buy and sells. And what it does is it does rapid buy and sells. The human person can't keep up doing buy and sells that fast. No, they can't. So by taking a basket of stocks in the NASDAQ composite, as they have been doing, basically tech is going into a major earnings season at a market top. And it's going to take a lot of good, high quality gap open up to keep this bull running full steam. And the problem is, I'm given that warning, stage one, phase one. We're in it now. And be careful, because the volatility is here. And just let me caution everyone, over the next couple of months in the NASDAQ composite, there could be a significant downside move before we have a bigger rally. And with the election model playing into all of it, and a lot of other variable factors, is that we come to the conclusion that the risk is extremely high. Yes, it is. And we want you to be aware of that risk, because when you're aware of risk, you may make better decisions. And that's what counts. And you don't want to get caught at the highs in these prices. And you don't. And the NASDAQ stocks, the rotation to value, and the way that they've all ganged up, all of these fund managers communicate with each other, and all materials, and Joe Biden, and the green trade, and so there's a lot of things going on, and there was a lot of money that is still going to be shifting. And the other thing is capital gains tax go higher. Could be a very difficult period for the market at some point over the next 45 days. But in the very, 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 very short term, we're overbought. NASDAQ composite going into a major earnings season. Um, Everyone around the world that is with us, you know who we are. So, therefore, we want you to be listening. And we'll see you in the live trading room so that we can walk you through this as it's happening in real time. You're going to need it, and we're here for you. I'm telling you before it happens, not after the fact.